Whoops, sorry about that. Okay, so this is going to be the second video that I'm making on the Super NES Classic. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it off. So see, shut it down. And so now my display is going to tell me that there is no source. Okay, so actually it goes back directly into my computer, so that's normal. So I'm going to switch it back on, and hopefully I will get the Super NES screen. There we go. So this is how it starts. So on the top you have your menu. So if we go here, you see that we have the display options. So you can choose so you have the CRT filter, which is going to reproduce the old displays. Then you have the whole 4:3 ratio, and you have pixel perfect. So I'm going to stick with pixel perfect because I want to have a nice display. And on the bottom you see you have the frame. So you have so obviously the games are not going to be in 16:9, which is my display. So you're going to have the black bars, and so you can put a little frame. So you have a bunch of frames to choose. Here are all. I choose with this one. I stick with this one because I like it. Then you have the settings. You have my gameplay demo, and you have classic demo, which means that when you're not going to touch the controller at all, it's kind of like a screensaver, and so it's going to go through your games and a selection of the games that you have. So yeah, I'm not going to demo it because it's going to take too much time. And then you have screen burden reduction, and you have system reset. Yeah. Then you have the language: English, French, Dutch, Espanol, Russian, Portuguese, Netherlands, and Italian. I'm going to stick to English for this video, but usually for me it's going to be in Russian or in French, it depends. Then you have your logo notice, and you have the open source software license. Then you can have the manual, so you can view the game manuals and the info on this URL, or you just scan with your QR code. So if you want to take a screenshot of this video to scan it, go ahead. Then you have all your games. You can hit the select button to sort them by recently played, by times played, by release date, and by publisher, and by title, and also by two-player games. So I'm going to stick with by recently played because yeah. Then you can hit start to start the game. For example, I'm going to start Super Mario Kart. And so as you can see, you have your game, and you have the background, your frame. Sorry, there's no sound because my display does not have a sound output, so that sucks. So you can just hit start and then select and play a game. So what I'm going to do, is that I'm going to hit the reset button to go back to the main the main menu. And as you can see here, we have suspended point list here. So hit down, and so what you can do is that you have 4 slots to save a snapshot of the game. So to save, you hit the Y button here. So boom, and now it's saved. So for example, if I come here and I just click start, it's going to start exactly where I left off. So I'm going to hit reset again, but since I do not care, it's okay. So you can erase or just save a new one. But what I'm going to do is that I'm going to delete. What? Okay, boom. Here, yes, I want to delete it, and then same thing for this one, I want to delete, yes. So yeah. So that's it. So I have my backup of Yoshi's Island. And so yeah, you have all these games. So yeah, I think I did all the games. And that's it. That's a quick overview of the Super Nintendo Classic NES. I always mess up with the game. And about the controller, well, it's a simple controller, you have the B, A, X, and Y button, Start, Select as your cross keypad, and you have the left and right buttons. That's it. I'm going to finish this video by shutting down the console.